I've needed tens and thousands of aircraft parts over the last decade, and in doing so, I've noticed a few things. A deep problem within our aircraft part repair supply chain. And really follow me as I show you. And as I do, everything seems overly complicated when dealing with repairs. From having to source capability lists for thousands of different parts to shipping off the individual parts to different repair partners that cover different capabilities and ATA chapters, and then to make everything worse is you have to chase for status updates, you have to chase for approvals, and it gets really complicated really fast. All the while you're not focusing on the things that critically add value to your operation. Well, that now changes. As I've thought to myself, is what are some ways that we can help overcome this? An easier way, a way in which you don't have to waste your time on these lower value added activities, a way in which you can focus on your operation on the things that matter the most, and a way in which you drive the results that you need to drive, all the while reducing the time spent on these projects, all the while reducing your total repair costs, and all the while reducing your average turnaround times. And that's why I introduced to you a program that we've created, and we call it the Asset Repair Care Program. And as you can see in the video here is we just have taken receipt of 1,500 parts that have landed into our Asset Repair Care Program, among others. But this is a first real world experience that you can see for yourself of items coming in and the value it can create for your operation. Why? Because it's here, not over there where you are having to deal with it. I am Nate Anglin, the CEO of Skylink, where we help you build and deliver custom aircraft part material solutions that solve the problem of you focusing your time and your energy on the things that matter most, the things that drive value for your operation. Until the next time.